As I'm sitting here eating, the theming is really growing on me. I wasn't impressed at first, but it's kind of like Disney Springs. It's gotten better the longer I've been here. I got my Traveler, and now we're heading on back this way, see what else there is to do. My next Fast Pass is at like 4, and it's 1 o'clock, so there's 3 hours to kill until Star Tours.
You cannot look. Jared. You cannot. Jared. Oh, he's good. He's really good. He's ready. I like Jared.
Really good.
What's his name? Jared. Hi, Jared. I'm Bachelorette number 1. Jared, will you do me a favor? Will you just feel the sleeve of my dress?
Hi there, Bachelorette number 3. You're a surprise to me too.
I was a surprise to my mom and dad as well.
Yes, I'm sorry about that.
Well, is this the man I'm gonna win? And I'm not so good at prose. But since you call yourself the Bachelor, I must ask, will you please accept this rose? He seems like a potato. I only have eye for you. And when you come home from a long day at work, I'll pop open a beer and say, this spot's for you.
Winning the hearts of all men in the audience. Aaron, wow, I'm afraid these people don't have your best interest in mind. But I could be wrong. Who's it going to be, Bachelor number 1, 2, or 3? Bachelorette, answer now. 1, 2, or 3. Shout it out, shout it out. 3. Number 3, you did not choose 1 or 2. I call them the losers.
I really want to be watching that, but I had to put sunscreen on again because it's probably been an hour too long and I'm starting to roast. Oh man, they brought Vader out. And I'm still over here putting on sunscreen.
The dark side. A Jedi. They're real.
What this park lacks in apparent rides, it makes up for in just all the random little shows that you just stumble upon. There was the dating game one and then the Star Wars one. And it's not like small things, they're big productions. I need to go check out what's on the other side of Echo Lake because I haven't been over there today. I've been running around doing everything else. And there's a dinosaur. So we're gonna see what that's all about. The next Indiana Jones doesn't start until 3 something, so I can't do that right now. Oh, it's an ice cream dinosaur shop. Interesting. It doesn't feel like it fits with any of the theming around here. I guess somehow it does fit the theming around here as one of the first animated something or others.
To be tested. Let's step forward and prepare for the moment that it's already happening. Students, leave your sabers down. Embrace the light side of the force. Darth Vader, the Sith Lord himself.
Join me, and I will complete your training.
Seventh sister, Master Seasoned Inquisitor.
Yes.
They hunt the Jedi.
Andrew, stay calm. For your training, you will be victorious. Ready for this hit?
As you...
Here he comes. Hit that lightsaber. Go to the other side. Block.
And front shoulder, block. Duck it down, then a cut to the head. Favorite out.
Down, student. To his head. You never ducked, and you're still alive.
I think I will be going on Star Tours. Stand by. just because it's 2 o'clock, I don't want to sit around until 4 and then go and come back. I'd rather do it now, go, spend a lot more time resting, and then come back around 8. Getting ready for Star Wars Land. I am so pumped for 3 years from now.
Cheer for your favorite pilot in the annual Punta Eve Classic. No visit is complete without having a drink at Tatooine's infamous Mos Eisley.
Computer.
I know you are, but what is that?
Computer.
I don't have time for this.
I did.
Oh, I hope it wasn't yours. My bad. It's really exciting. And you're going? Here's some Send all your friends on
Road 2. I'm putting the camera away now. That was awesome. We got to do Hoth and Coruscant, 2 that I haven't done before. So, awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh boy, it's bright out here. I need to get my sunglasses out, but we're headed back to the bus. We're gonna do some shopping later, but we're gonna go right now while it's way hot, go back to the room, go swim, just relax for a little while, and then we'll be back to shop and see the fireworks tonight. I just missed the Frozen show, but I think it was a worthwhile trade-off doing Star Tours instead of the Frozen thing, because a single guy like myself can't go in there without raising a lot of eyebrows. I keep saying so a lot, so. Speaking of being a grown man, I can have ice cream whenever I want. Deal with it. As I got to the bus station, I saw the Pop Century bus drive away. So, I hopped on the Art of Animation bus because it's a short walk and I didn't want to stand out there in the sun for 20 minutes. This is definitely a pro tip. Learn your surroundings, because all the resorts have like partner resorts with them, or all the hotels have partner hotels. So figure out which ones are near you. If you miss your bus, you can always go to one close by if you don't mind walking a little bit. It might be too windy to talk right now, but the best part about coming back in the midday and then going back later for the fireworks is I can recharge my batteries, and then I probably only had to bring the camera and my phone with me for the nighttime part, leaving all of this backpack stuff at home. Not to mention the obvious benefits of going swimming and relaxing in this beautiful sun. Keep using adjectives like beautiful or awesome or incredible, but I run out of words and ways to describe this whole experience. It's overwhelming, but in a really, really good way. It's magic, I guess. It's 6:40 now. I'm heading back to the parks. I showered, I went to the pool, I picked up some stuff, and now we are going back to possibly ride more rides. I haven't decided yet. As you can see, I'm leaving everything in the room, which includes all of my spare batteries. This one battery is going to be everything I get, so I have to save some for the Star Wars fireworks. And just like that, we are back in the park. 7:16, I have an hour and a half to do stuff before I have to line up or find a spot for the fireworks.
I wish they have speakers attached to these. You barely.
Going back to the rock and roller coaster. I might try to film it, so I'm sacrificing a photo op for a filming op.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager. Yeah, she's usually not like this. Yeah,
I heard that.
I'm so sorry, that was so shaky. I tried. There was a seat in front of me, so you might get like half of something that looks like this. But that's so much fun. On a side note, I managed to hold the camera and get a decent picture, so I didn't have to sacrifice either. We're doing the Great Movie Ride one more time, and that should put us right about time to line up for the fireworks, which people are already lining up for, so I might want to go there a little bit earlier than I thought.
My name is Luigi, and I'm your guide for this magical journey into movies.
Okay, that's enough for you to think for one day, right?
You shall all pay with your lives.
You best start believing in ghost stories, Miss Turner. Is it safe?
The Great Movie Ride will never cease to be awesome. I've ridden it twice today, and it's awesome both times. But now it's time to find a spot for the fireworks, which might not be as difficult.
While he's on the train, the distributor copyrights Oswald the Lucky Rabbit, takes it away from Walt, and hires away most of his animators and illustrators. So when Walt gets to the East Coast, he's broke. And they get on the train to go home. And on the way home on the train, they come up with a new character, Mortimer Mouse.
Star Wars has reached every corner of the world and across generations as the saga continues to transport audiences with the words, "A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away."
was 13 minutes of spine-tingling chills. I think that might be my new favorite fireworks show ever. It was, I'm gonna say it again, it was absolutely incredible. And I'm trying to navigate a sea of people right now. That was well worth coming back tonight to do. I would highly recommend, highly recommend, if you do any nighttime show, make it that one. But now we're heading back home for the night. One last look at the crossroads, and we are heading back. Tomorrow, Animal Kingdom. I hope you guys liked today. I don't know. It felt kind of weird leaving the park, but still, I think it was worth it. I got to rest because tomorrow, Animal Kingdom, we're going on a safari, and then the next day, Epcot. So excited for that. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.